Looking to make your Concur invoice workflow more seamless while saving yourself time, money, and headaches? Consider Invoice Connect. Invoice Connect is an application that integrates payment requests from Concur into Intacct. There are many benefits to using Invoice Connect, including it reduces manual effort and human error, thereby saving you time and money. It is less expensive and more flexible than custom integration, and product support is part of the yearly subscription, so there is no need to spend extra consulting dollars, and there are no annual maintenance fees. Invoice Connect installs quickly and directly into Intacct, and an easy-to-see icon appears on the homepage after the install is complete. From there, a Brittenford consultant will work with you to configure your setup so that it will bring the payment requests into one of the following destinations: the General Ledger or Accounts Payable. The General Ledger is typically chosen if the expenses were already paid in Concur. Accounts Payable is typically chosen if the expenses are to be paid in Intacct. There are two types of data elements that can be imported into Intacct: payment requests and payment confirmations. Payment requests is the most common type, and it imports the original Concur payment requests into Intacct. Payment confirmations is used only if you have implemented Concur Pay. This will import payment information into Intacct when invoices are paid. If your destination is AP, then it pays the open bills previously imported by a payment request batch. Another example of the flexibility of Invoice Connect is that it can also be configured to credit different GL accounts using conditional mapping. Now let's take a look at processing a batch using Invoice Connect. In Intacct, when you hover over the Invoice Connect icon, it will show you a drop-down list. To create a new payment request batch, select Payment Request Batches. Click on New Batch and then click Save. Invoice Connect is now working with Concur to pull in the reports. You can view the progress of the batch by clicking on the link under Progress Status. Invoice Connect uses the Concur API to pull the payment requests directly from Concur. This allows the integration to be seamless without the need for any intermediate files to manipulate, save, or import. After the integration is finished, you can click on the batch name to see if the reports were pulled in successfully. If there were any errors, it will also list them on this page. Invoice Connect also gives the option to sync vendors from Intacct into Concur on a daily basis. In this case, Intacct is the master location for vendors. To sync vendors, simply create a new vendor sync batch record and click Save. Invoice Connect will then pull all of the Intacct vendors created or modified since the last successful run. Invoice Connect is the perfect solution for companies that want to save time and money by automating their process. If you are interested in learning more about Invoice Connect, please fill out the form on this page to request more information. We look forward to hearing from you.